what's going on, guys? Stam778 here. Today I am here with
the Immortal Dragon.
We're doing a collab. This is the first video. This will be on both channels. I will put his stuff in the description down below, his channel. Anyway, let's get right to the video now. Based on these pellets and this mask, I think you guys know, and the title, you guys have already seen it. And these scissors, don't forget about the scissors. You need these scissors for the video, definitely. Today we're going to be unboxing an airsoft gun. Here we go. Guys, this is it. Josh, you can explain what it is. Tell them what it is. There you go.
It's an airsoft gun.
It's an airsoft gun.
Well,
there
it's
you guys
two
have it.
airsoft guns. You have the M4-1911. That's what it says on the box, and a Colt pistol, or the M4-1911 Ops kit. So,
Nice. And this is not sponsored by Colt or whatever. We just bought this. We did not buy it. We received it very recently, and we just decided, hey, let's do an unboxing video on it. And I know you guys love them, so that's why we're doing it. Yes, not supported by Colt. And you can tell us a little bit about these guns while I get rid of it.
So this is an AR pistol, or an AR and a pistol. The AR, it's like kind of like from this Call of Duty game. It's like the burst rifle. But I think it's fully automatic. I'm not too sure. But it has a flashlight right here, a grip right here, so like you go shooting like this. Obviously it's different. We got some cool mags and got some good sights. And then the pistols are actually really good in airsoft because they shoot pretty accurately, and they're like just like really small guns.
Yeah, let's see if I can get you guys a close-up. Look at that. There's the close-up for the box. There you go. And we are ready to open it. So, another thing, I bought Josh these, what are they called? Pellets? We'll just call them pellets. 5,000 biodegradable, also not sponsored by them, so that you can go outside. Make sure that if you're going outside, guys, you have biodegradable pellets, because that helps the environment and stuff like that. And I love it. So go ahead. I think it just lifts right off. Go ahead, do the honors. It's yours. Alright, here we go, guys.
So, alright guys, so we're going to start out with the small stuff first. We just got some paper targets.
That's pretty nice.
Just, yeah, your standard practice shooting.
Standard paper targets.
And so, yeah, we have like 5 or so of those, I don't know.
Yeah, we got 3. Oh no, we got a lot. There's a bunch in there.
Okay, here, move the camera.
Paper targets.
Then we just have the instruction manual, how to use, stop, please do not return this product to the store. But yeah, how to use like all the stuff, because if you're like 5 and you don't know how to shoot a gun. So now let's get to the juicy stuff. So let's start out with this. This is, I believe, the grip to this gun.
The monopod.
We'll show you guys later. But yeah, it's just help you aim better, I guess.
Yeah, it looks like very, very, I got something on my arm. A very, very simple monopod. It is plastic, as I can see. There's a little hook right here, it looks like. You can just pop that on and off, and it, yeah, just pops on and off.
What, I think this is the...
There you go.
What is this? This is part of this, isn't it? What does this go to?
This looks like the magazine.
That's all I was
the
thinking.
Pistol.
So
yeah. This is the mag.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's the pistol mag.
Okay.
So
now
the pistol mag and the mono.
Here is the AR mag, I guess. See how you open it. Like, I don't know.
I assume. Yes, this is the AR mag. This is also plastic. It looks like the bullets feed up through there.
Wait,
and
where? Oh, here.
We'll read the instruction manual. It looks like you put that down, and then it locks in. And it feeds through there. So, pretty large mag. I don't know the exact size, but pretty good mag.
Here is the flashlight for the magazine.
Ooh. For the magazine, definitely.
I mean,
Flashlight.
the AR, yes.
Flashlight for the AR.
I think, yeah, it needs batteries probably or something.
Yeah, so batteries sold separately.
Yeah. We don't really need that because you're not really going to use it very much. Unless you're in dark places.
Yeah, standard attachment. Oh, wait, hold up. Sorry. And yeah, I just started it, possibly. I have no idea how you turn it on. We'll show you guys that later. So, we got this stuff so far. Got the magazine. We got the other magazine for the pistol. We got
And
the
we
flashlight.
got the scissors and the biodegradable 5,000 0.20 grams. Those are probably the best ones. 0.20 or 0.18 are probably the best ones you can get.
Yeah, 0.20, 0.18, 0.22. Keep moving.
Okay. Yeah. So here we have the stock for the AR, and
Standard stock.
it's just like you put it on your shoulder.
We all know what a stock is.
Yes.
Hopefully. But if you don't know what a stock is, it's just that thing you put under your armpit. It makes it feel good. Standard stock.
Yeah.
No problem. Also plastic. Make sure of that, guys. I believe this is all plastic. I'm not sure.
And here we got 500 BBs. These are probably like the pistol size ones, but I guess they do go in these. It's just these will not be accurate because they're so small.
Okay, we will look in the instructions to see if these are biodegradable. But guys, if they are not,
yeah.
these
are like 10 or 12 grams, I think.
Yeah, they look relatively the same size. We'll look more into this.
Okay.
That'll be good.
Now to the guns. We got, whoa, this is like heavier than I thought. This is heavier than the AR, I think. I don't know, we'll get that out in later, but yeah, this is just your pistol. It's actually like really nice feeling, you know? Like, I don't know how to like hold it. I mean, yeah, one hand, like, but.
Josh doesn't know how to hold a gun. Alright.
But yeah.
So, strictly.
Okay, hang on, let me show you guys how to hold it like a boss. You have your finger like that. Like, this is what they tell you at shooting ranges. To not have your finger on the trigger.
Yeah, just be very careful.
Yeah, just be very careful. Yeah.
We have no bullets in here and the mag's not in, so it's pretty much just like a piece of plastic right now. But don't forget to be very careful with this. Yeah, guys, just be very, very careful. Just don't forget these are real guns, even though they're airsoft.
Yeah, like, don't use, like, gun safety. Just, like, do not point these at anyone. You're like that. Like, this is what they tell you at shooting ranges. To not have your finger on. Don't bring these out in public.
Do not bring them out in public, because you will get
I mean, yes,
caught.
You can tell by this, I mean, you can tell it is definitely a little bit fake, but, like, by not even looking at this, but still, from far away, this looks real as crap, so.
So, just be careful with that.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll insert the mags and stuff later, but let's get on to this part. This part, guys.
Okay, my bad.
Oh.
So it doesn't have the stock on it, so it's really weird. But that's cool, because then you could hold it like this, guys.
Yeah, that looks pretty retarded. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's see. Let's talk about this more, because I think more people are going to be more interested.
The trigger's locked.
Trigger is locked?
Oh,
okay.
There's a safe on here.
Let's see. Let's see what this is.
Oh,
Tell us about it. Go ahead.
So it's on... Okay. So, guys, it says there's a semi. So there's safe, semi, and auto. So safety, that's your safety, so you won't shoot anything when it's on this. Or, hang on. Yeah, I don't know.
Got it, Josh.
And then, so safe, this is auto, I guess.
Okay.
And then semi-auto will be...
Yes.
Wait.
Here. So,
yeah, you guys.
Josh is a
With
noob.
Airsoft.
Josh is a noob for Airsoft. I am not. So pretty much, yes, we have it on safety right now. You got to make sure that this is pointing the other way.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
This is safe, so when you're not shooting, keep your gun on safe. I'm not able to pull the trigger. Switch it up to right here till you feel...
That's semi, okay.
Yeah, this is semi-auto, and then, which is kind of like bursts, and then full auto is just...
So, guys,
flying away.
On this gun, I don't know if it's on, like, any other guns. This is the opposite of whatever this is. So, safe, this would be safe. So, yeah.
Okay.
And...
What else we got on
this side, made in China, so this is gonna suck, guys. But,
That's tough.
Yeah. But let's see what. Oh, whoa, what's this? What does
Okay,
this do?
so it looks like you can. There are strap adjustments,
That's what I thought
attachments.
that was.
You have a full 1, 2, 3, 4 grips where you can put your monopod or whatever. So if you want to put your monopod right here, if you're right-handed, and left right here on your left-handed. If you want to be a total noob, please put it on the top. That's retarded.
Can we see if if they can see like the winding
Yeah,
of
let's
the
see.
sights?
So double sights, do they flip up and down? Let's see. Great detail on the gun. It's
This,
nice.
oh yeah, this one does.
Okay, so the first one flips up and down.
So this is good. Hang on. This is. Oh wait, actually this one's better than. Okay, so these are different modes, guys. So this one is for your. I think your. This is narrower.
Oh, so it does have an adjustable sight.
But I like this one better, guys.
Okay, so
you
let's
can
see
see better.
I'll try to show you guys.
And then this. Oh, you can't flip it down anymore. So yeah, there's two sights.
Okay, so guys, looks like we have. Okay, this is going to be really bad. This is our close range sight. This is our long range sight. And then you can you just flip them in between. It does not look like you can have it fully down, but that's alright. You can at least flip it. Sorry guys, it's not the best for the camera, but it's the best. It is good. It is accurate. I love it.
And
yeah, let's attach the stock.
The barrel is just your standard barrel, guys.
Yes, the barrel is long, so it will be able to fire accurately. So longer barrel equals more accuracy.
See, do you have to like walk this? I don't think so.
Okay, Josh figured out how to do it. Here we go. There you go! Applause, yes.
Let's see. So you hold it like about here.
Yay range, yes. Nice.
But
That looks nice.
yeah, this looks like way better now. And
It actually has a stock on it.
oh yeah, and you put the clip. Hang on.
The magazine.
Is that how it goes? Yep.
Yep.
Right.
Clip,
So it goes like that.
clip locks right in. Is it sturdy?
No.
Not one bit.
Unless it's on the wrong way, which it's not. Yeah, that was the right way, guys. Wait. Yeah, there we go. So that's your clip, and this is your AR.
It goes in that way. Put it in.
And then we already showed you guys pistol, but yeah, you can put your clip in.
Put your magazine.
Oh wow, that slides in really nice. And then this, oh yeah, this is just to get this out. But yeah, it slides in really nicely. So like whenever you want to get your bullets, so say you want to change your bullets, you put them in there, then you go, and you go, then you're ready.
Perfect. All right, guys. So
oh yeah, and we have an airsoft mask. Yeah, it's still dirty.
My phone. It's dirty. We're gonna go clean it up. It's still a good airsoft mask. We're not gonna be unboxing that because Josh has had it for like ever. And
oh yeah, I need to show you guys something real quick though. I look
Okay.
like a boss. It's just,
Okay.
It's a little bit dirty.
so really quick as a recap, AR, pistol. This did not come with the set. We just had this. We have some airsoft targets. That's a lot of targets. I'm just gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-ish targets. The scissors did not come. These bullets came, so you come with red bullets. We'll see if they're biodegradable. Those did not come. Monopod, plastic flashlight. I don't know how the heck you turn that on. We'll figure that out later. And we have this, which this black stuff feels like. Okay, yes, the gun's full plastic. So everything in here is full plastic, except for the BBs, of course. It looks like. Yeah, this just says don't point it at children. Whatever. No, actually be very careful with these. So that's a recap. This is what comes in the package, guys. So we're just going to run outside, and we're going to show you how this thing fires up, and it's going to be awesome.
Guys, I look a boss right now, like.
Alright, let's go outside.
Hey guys, we're just going to be shooting at the target. Hey guys, we're here trying to shoot guns. I think it's right, guys. We're ready to shoot, and so we have the target right here, and it will make a loud kind of metallic sound when we hit it. And we're gonna be shooting from behind the camera, and about 5 yards or so, and So yeah, let's get right to it.
So really quick before we start, guys, I'm behind the camera because I'm actually loading up this mag, which takes forever because I have to do it by hand. We don't have like a thing or anything to do it with, so it's taking forever. So I'll be using the AI, that's funny. I'll be using the AR while Josh uses the pistol. He wanted to use the pistol, so I'm like, alright, you can do that. So yeah, pretty much, guys, we tied, well, Josh's dad tied a tin thing, a tin can lid right over there, so when we hit it, it'll go ding, stuff like that.
And just be safe when you're shooting these. You have to act like these are real guns, so always have it on safety, always put them at the ground. And
Yeah.
Yeah, just never point them at people.
Don't point them at people, have safety. Make sure you have eye protection.
Yeah.
Josh has a full mask. I also have some goggles on. I'll show you guys that later, maybe. Actually, why not? I'll just show you guys right now. I just have these standard working goggles, you know. Nothing for my whole face, but we're not going to be shooting each other, so there's no really need for it. But, anyway, guys, yeah, like Josh said, let's get right into the shooting. Let's do this. Alright, guys, I hope you liked that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know why I'm doing this outro. This is on both of our channels. If you want to say something a little bit, you can.
Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and also the AR, it was definitely made in China. That thing's trash, dude.
Okay, so honestly, yeah, I agree with Josh. The AR, it was not full auto at all. It was not sprayable. As you saw in the video, it was one cock, just like the pistol. We did not test range. We were only, right over there to right behind us. I'm sure the AR has way better range, but then again, you just get a sniper for that, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, those are okay guns if you're a beginner, kind of like us.
Not really, though.
Not really. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video on both of our channels. If you liked it on this channel, go to this channel. If you liked it on this channel, go to this channel and like.
Subscribe for more content. Turn on notifications. Subscribe to CrewTube and Stamp778.
Yes,
Bye.
sir. You heard him. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.